When editing a video, sometimes there is footage that wants to flip. There are 3 ways to do this in Premiere Pro. For example, I have inserted 3 video clips into the project. And now I'm going to trim the duration of the clip and split it into 2 parts. In this first clip, we can use the horizontal flip effect. To do that, go to the Effects panel. If the workspace is not displayed, we can bring it up from Window in the menu. In the search box in the Effects panel, type Flip. To turn it horizontally, select Flip Horizontal. But if you want to change it vertically, then select Vertical Flip. Drag and drop effects onto the clip you want to flip. In the Effect Control panel, there are no additional settings for horizontal flip. In the second method, we can use the transform effect. Drag and drop the transform effect from the Distort folder. The next step, make the settings from the Effect Control panel. In Transform Settings, uncheck the Unform Scale. To flip the clip, change the scale height value to -100. We can set it using keyframes or without using keyframes. The third way, we can use the basic 3D effect. In the basic 3D settings from the Effect Controls panel, change the swivel value to 180 degrees. If you want to rotate it to the left, change it to -180 degrees. Just like the previous method, we can use this effect without adding keyframes. In this tutorial, I created it using keyframes. Those are 3 ways to flip or mirroring a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's all for the tutorial. And thanks for watching.